Nagda-diet ka pa rin, Alex?
Not much.
Ano yung diet mo before?
No rice lang.
Justin, no girls.
Yun ang diet.
Kailan cheat day mo?
Kung wala kayo sa automotive space, ano kayang industry you think you will be?
Baka sa Pegasus, so. Joke lang. Ay, alam nila na itong tao na to for the clout lang yan, for the money, yan, for the fame.
If you're there for the money, it's different.
Oo.
Ayaw namin ng transaction.
Share like emotional stuff.
Inom muna tayo.
Oh my God.
Okay lang sa inyo.
GG ko yan, though. GG ko yan. Basta
Simulan
Hindi,
na.
sa shot tayo eh. Was there ever a time na medyo may weird collaboration or partnership kayo na
May na-reach out sa amin.
Oh?
Premier condom.
Oh,
We were like, uy, pinindala ka rin ba?
Yeah.
Saka yung ano na yun, parang yung trip namin nun sa China.
Hindi kotse.
Ay, mo man trip yun.
Off the record ulit. Off the record ulit.
If I like the car, I like the car.
Yung test na.
I don't like the test. Love you, Pai.
Life is hard, so
Don't make it harder.
car culture is not ours. It's for everyone. They're building cars for the clout.
Sabi ko, kung hindi pa ba tayo karga, hindi ko na alam.
Kaya payak ako dito sabihin ko, you're gonna be okay.
I would tell my younger self that mom's pretty proud right now.